Hey guys, Jake with Fencing Beyond out here in Willingboro, New Jersey. Today we're removing this old wooden fence. Definitely on its way out. You see half the yard's already fallen down over the years. And we're going to be replacing it with a 6-foot white vinyl all the way around the property. And then a 5-foot gate up here in the front. Keep an eye out for the final results. Hey guys, Jake with Fencing Beyond out here in Willingboro, New Jersey. We installed this 6-foot vinyl fence. Wrapped it up yesterday. We left this section here as the neighbors. It was actually on this property, so we left that there. Just married it up right here with the end post. And then the customer is gonna have a landscaper come in and finish off the grading here. There's some low spots from the old wooden fence here. Wraps all the way around. No gate on this side. Just one single 5-foot gate. If you're looking for a fence, you can visit fencingandbeyond.com. You can fill out our contact form and set up an appointment.